Good morning, September 22nd, 2016. This is CISG114, Section 1. Today is Web Technologies and Life, day number 10 in week number 5. So let's get started. Thank you. Welcome back. Hello, both Yara and wonderful students who come in early. So if you look at the schedule, again, allow me to remind you, we're in week number 5, the beginning week for the second learning contract, and the theme for the second learning contract is self-regulated learning. As I have already interpreted for you on this past Monday what it means by self-regulated learning, which is built on top of inquiry-based learning by requiring each one of us to set goals before we leave. Well, goals are very important. Without goals being identified, we will often get confused why we're doing what we are doing. So we need to make sure you know how to set goals. Now, there are different levels of goal setting in the context of a second learning contract. It is that you need to understand why self-regulated learning is important for you, because you need to make sure you know why you're doing what you're doing. In the process of doing self-regulated learning, you need to understand the timelines of your tasks. You need to understand what actions are you going to take in order to get the job done. You need to understand what measure you're going to evaluate the progress of your work. You need to understand what step you can take to change your course of actions when you discover that your work is not as satisfactory as what you want. And on the basis of inquiry-based learning, you have the ability to question something. And you need to apply what you learned in inquiry-based learning to question why doing all of these are important. So if you look at some self-regulation essential right here, I've already provided you some very helpful advice. Let me just simply go there to let you take a good look at these, okay? You will be brought to this page, okay? This page contains very important resources on helping you to understand the meaning and the practice